Hey, this is Peter at FreeWorship with a tutorial on adding a Bible passage. So first of all, we're going to go to the Add section and click on the Bible icon, and that brings up an editable field where you can auto-complete the Bible passage. So you type in John, and then it brings up as you go across the 1:1. So we can just add that one verse, or we can click again, click space, and we can then extend that to a certain point in the passage. So for example, we can extend it to John chapter 1, 1 to 20, and add that to the service list just by clicking enter. So we've got that there. If you're a pro user, you can also search by keywords. So the important thing to do here is on the right hand side, check you're using the right version, because if you search in the King James, it's going to come up with a very different thing to the NIV, for example. So then we can just type in a passage. So let's think of something. Let's go for in the beginning. And see what that brings up. Hopefully your computer's a little bit quicker than mine. So that just brings up all of the results in that Bible version for those words. So let's just add a couple more just so we can get our specific verse, which is John 1:1. There we go, the second one down. Double click on that, that adds it to the service list. And as with any other item, you can remove it, you can move it up and down in that list. So see the other tutorial if you want more information on that. So then we've got our central pane, as with any other service item, and at the bottom there there's a little button which allows you to extend that verse. So you might be live, you might have only queued up one verse, you can extend that to have 1 to 6 verses. So then also you've got this highlighting feature, so that is how many verses it will progress at a time. So its default is set in the settings and the preferences. Again, see another tutorial for that. But basically you can then click on 1 or drag it down and click on 2. So then you can adjust how many it highlights on this one and how quickly it progresses through. So then it's just using that progress button as you would for any other item. So then we've got specific Bible settings which can be accessed using the edit and then the extra. So we can change which version it is. We can include the Bible verse names. And then we've got our font settings up there as well, as with any other service item. And we've also got the different backgrounds, which you might want to choose to just make it look a bit nicer. So that's Bibles. Thank you for listening, and please check out our other tutorials at freeworship.org.uk.